Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to change and customize adapt sound functions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. First, where to find adapt sound. We need to go to settings, then accessibility, then hearing enhancements, and adapt sound is here with the switch here. Now we have a few presets. As you can see here, we can customize these presets using this cogwheel here. We can change prefer ear for calls. We can change the sound preference option here. Uh, of course, we can change what the adapt sound is used for. Media only, calls only if we want to, and we can also add a personalized profile, but we need headphones for that. And that's pretty much it. And we can turn it off using this switch. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.